Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got some products in from Benks, a company called Benks. They hit me up last month and said, hey Jay, we want to send you over some of our products. And they said, which phone do you have? And I told them the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So my 14 Pro Max obviously came in at the recording of this video, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and install the tempered glass on this device right here. So it's pretty simple. You can see some branding here on the box. I like their packaging. Their packaging is really premium. And it just goes to show, shout out to Mims, because I actually had this before he put the video up on his, but I saw his video and I thought he's right. I was going to say that in my video too. The packaging on Benks products is actually premium, and the installation of this glass was super simple, man. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just go down the motions to install it. So this cage right here that goes over the phone, I think a lot of companies should invest in this. They really should, because this is my phone coming fresh out of the box. I cleaned it and followed the steps anyway, just in case a person wasn't going to get theirs right out of the box. I decided to go ahead and go with number 1, which is the wet wipe. So we'll get it all cleaned up here. Smells like lemons. These wet wipes now smell like lemons. Smells really good. So keeping it steady here. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to have my 14 Pro Max finally in. So we're going to go ahead and go with number 2. And number 2 is the microfiber cloth. Now the microfiber cloth leaves a little bit of lint on there, so make sure you do option 3 very well and get it all cleaned up. Now 4, I guess that's a guide. 4 is guide stickers, but you don't really need them unless that's just a fine tune of it. But I decided to go ahead and pick the device up here because it was rocking on the table a little bit with that jumbo size camera bump. But getting number 3 done was fairly simple. It picked up a lot of dust off the device. And it's good to go. So 4, I looked at it like, what? So I just threw it down. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and go on with the screen protector. It literally is, it's a satisfying feeling, actually. I really like this. This is a satisfying pull right here. When I held it down and pulled it, nothing's getting in there now. So press down on it. I probably should have pressed down in the center, but either way, it came up nice. It did well. So I went on ahead and took it off to help move these bubbles along going out. Just remember, folks, anytime you have bubbles in a screen protector when you're putting it on, don't lift the glass when there's applications like this. Push them out, because eventually you can heat up the glass by just rubbing on it. So again, I'm looking at 4 like, what? Yeah, get out of here. So I got my good microfiber cloth. This microfiber cloth is linked below. A lot of you guys asked me about this cloth. You get 3 of these in the packaging on Amazon, and they're only $9 as recording this video. So hit that link down below. You'll see a link for it. But I like to keep my screen like super clean, and boom, here it is. A little bit of bubble up on the top right there, but wait, there's more in Apple fashion. Let's check out this beautiful case right here that they got going on. Bam. Now this case is certified Boss. And again, you know what this reminds me of? The Pataka Pro case. This is what this reminds me of. When I first got this in the mail a few weeks back, I thought, man, this reminds me of the Pataka Pro case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Remember I had that? This feels identical, man. It's built a little different with the Kevlar or whatever, but it's pretty much the same style, and I really like this. Now on the rip, MagSafe is a must if you have anything from Apple that's MagSafe compatible. So let's test it out right here. I grabbed the MagSafe battery. Boom, it snaps on so tight, folks. It is not going anywhere. So thumbs up for that. MagSafe approved. Now, I have a lot of MagSafe stuff, so let's go ahead and take a look at these metal buttons on the side. Power button, volume rocker, all ports on the bottom line up great, no problems whatsoever. So let's put it on. Let's put this thing on. This thing is going to be fitting so nice. Got to clean it up, though. You know me, I'm a microfiber king. Slides on nice and simple. Goes on tight. It's a tight, snug fit. I freaking love it. And with their glass, obviously, you know it's going to work flawlessly. So it's a must that you buy the glass and the case. And I'll leave a link to these down below. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your man, Jay. And look at how beautiful that looks. I love it. I'll see you in the next video.